Good morning, students. Welcome to your mathematics class. Let us start with new session of volume of sphere. What is the formula of volume of sphere? Solid sphere, like as leather game, moon, sun. This is the formula of volume of sphere. 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Next, volume of hemisphere. आधा करते स्पेयर को. That is the 2 upon 3 pi r cube. R for radius. This is the solid sphere and this is its radius. This is the radius. Is it clear? Now this is our example 17. What is example 17? Find the volume of sphere. क्या find करना हमें? Volume किसका? Sphere का. क्या radius दे रखा है? The radius is 11.2 centimeter. Now we find the volume. Then volume of sphere. What is the formula of volume of sphere? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3. What is pi? 22 upon 7. R is 11.2 into 11.2 into 11.2. 7 1 जा 7. 4 11 कितना हो गया? 1.6 and 3 कटेगा 9 2 9. Now multiply by 4 into 22 into 1.6 into 11.2 11.2 and divided by 3. इसे सोल्व करेंगे बेटे 5887.32 मीटर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. Is it clear? So first question number first of exercise 13.1 same like as question number 1 and 2 same like as. So this is for homework, that is your homework. Question number 1 and 2 both part, first and second also first and second. Is it clear, my dear? Now come on the 18, example 18. Question number 3 same as example 18. Is it clear? First of all we solve the question of example 18. Chalo come on the example 18. What is example 18? That is a shot put is a metal sphere of radius 4 point. एक shot put है जो खेलते हैं, यहाँ पर रखते हैं, गर्दन पे रखते हैं. shot put ऐसे गेम होता है shot put का, वो गेम है, उसमें sphere है. This is the radius of 4.9 centimeter. If the density of the metal, this is given the density, therefore 1 centimeter cube have mass, that is 7.8 ग्राम. उसने का पूरे शॉर्टपुट का कितना मास होगा ये बताएंगे. तो पहले उसका वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करूँगा शॉर्टपुट का. तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ शॉर्टपुट सॉलिड स्फीयर शेप की होती है, गेंद सी होती है, लोहे की गेंद सी होती है, सॉलिड स्फीयर, दैट इज शॉर्टपुट. So formula is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3, what is pi? That is 22 upon 7. R is 4.9. 4.9 into 4.9. 7 ja. Now solid. This give us approximately 493. Approximately. Now we find the mass. We know that 1 centimeter cube have mass of output. That is 7.8 gram. So 493 centimeter cube have mass. Multiply by 7.8 into 493. This is in gram. That is 3845.44 gram. Change in kg. Divided by 100. 1000. 3 के बाद पॉइंट आएगा तो पॉइंट यहाँ आएगा 3.845 kg. This is clear? Same question, question number 3 of exercise 13.4. This is for your homework. Do it. Now come on the question example 19. Same question number 5. Example 19 and question number 5 is same. So come on the question of example 19. Yes, my dear. What is example 19? A hemispherical bowl. Bowl is the shape of hemispherical. एक बाउल है hemispherical shape का है. Has a radius 3.5 centimeter. R is 3.5 centimeter. What should be the volume of water it would contain? How many water contain? जितना उसका volume होगा, जितनी उसकी capacity होगी, तो volume of hemispherical bowl. Shape कैसी है? Hemispherical. So formula of hemispherical bowl 2 upon 3 pi r cube. 2 upon 3 pi 22 upon 7. What is R? 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. 5. Now solve it. 7 5 ja. Multiply it. 44 upon 3 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 0.5. Solve it. This is 89.8 centimeter cube. This is the volume of water in the hemispherical box. Is it clear? So example, question number 5 of exercise 13.8. Same. Do it. This is for also this is for homework. Now come on the exercise 13.8. Yes. This is the fourth question. First, second and third for homework. Like as example, आपको बता दिया था example 17 and 18. Yes, the diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. जो moon का diameter है, that is DE. Let the diameter of moon is DE and moon DM and earth DE. The diameter of moon is 1/4. इसका 1/4 है. मुझे इन दोनों के वॉल्यूम का रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना. फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ यानी VE. लेट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ इज VE एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ मून VM. Now first we will find the radius. What is the radius of moon and earth? That is, we know that the radius of radius is half of moon, so we can it 2 RM and 2 RE. 2 to 2 cancel. Upon में ले लिए बच्चे RM upon RE. So the radius of moon and earth is 1:4. So now we find the volume. Ratio of volume. Volume of दोनों solid sphere है, so 4/3 pi r E cube and 4/3 pi RM cube. 4/3 to pi cancel. RE upon, इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं RE upon RM का whole cube. What is the value of RM upon RE? ये रिवर्स में है तो इसे रिवर्स में लिख देंगे 4/1 का whole cube. 4 cube is 64, 1 cube is 1. So ratio of volume to the earth and moon is 64:1. Is it clear my dear? जो रेशियो आएगा वो 64:1 आएगा. आगे बात समझ में बैठे. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Fifth for homework, like as example 9. Now come on the question number 6. What is our question number 6? Hemispherical tank. Tank shape is hemispherical. The shape of tank is hemispherical. Is made of iron sheet. बना हुआ किसका? आयरन शीट का. And 1 centimeter thickness. जो इसकी मोटाई दे रखी है that is 1 centimeter. This one is 1 centimeter. And the inner radius is 1 meter. तो इसके अंदर का रेडियस है this one. This is 1 meter. Inner radius 1 meter. Now find the volume of the iron sheet used. जो आयरन शीट लगी इसमें उसका वॉल्यूम बताना है. उसके लिए मुझे आउटर रेडियस चाहिए. कैसे निकलेगा आउटर रेडियस? अगर मैं इनर रेडियस में इसको प्लस कर दूं, ये सेंटीमीटर में थिकनेस इन सेंटीमीटर वी कन्वर्ट इनटू मीटर डिवाइडेड बाय 0.01 मीटर. 0.01 ऐड कर दूं तो 1.01 मीटर. नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ आयरन शीट. कितनी आयरन शीट यूज हुई है? So solid to make the tank. टैंक की शेप क्या है? हेमिस्फेरिकल शेप क्या है? So the formula is 2/3. हेमिस्फेरिकल का 2/3 pi capital R cube small r cube. This is the capital R outer radius and inner radius small r. 2/3 pi 22/7 r cube 1.01 cube. Small r is 1 cube. Now solve the calculation and answer in meter. Is it clear my dear? कर लीजिएगा इसको. कैलकुलेशन को सोल्व करने आपने तो आपका क्वेश्चन को सोल्व हो जाएगा. So for next session we discuss the further question and revision of your first chapter. एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन ऑफ फर्स्ट चैप्टर. कुछ क्वेश्चन करेंगे एक्स्ट्रा चैप्टर के. बस इतना बहुत है. अप्रैली तक इसे नहीं दूंगा मैं. अप्रैली में चैप्टर ब्लॉक सरफेस एरिया में लोग को इससे पहले जितने हो गए वो सब सिलेबस में आएंगे आपके. इज इट क्लियर माय डियर? सो वी डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट सेशन फर्दर क्वेश्चन ऑफ exercise 13.8, that is 8, 9 and 10, and then we start the revision of chapter first, that is extra question. Is it clear, my dear? Till then, thank you very much, my dear.